Good morning, everybody. Today I'm going to show you a fun drawing program. It's built into your computer. I'm going to give you a link which will help you find the program, but I'm also going to show you where the program is. So I'm on my page that has all my emails. You see it's my Gmail here. I'm going to go up to the little waffle at the top right, and I'm going to click on that waffle, and I'm going to go Docs, which is short for Documents. I'm going to go to Blank, and I'm going to click it 2 times. Then I'm going to go File, New, whoopsie, where is it? File, New, and I'm going to go all the way down to Drawing. There you go. Click that. Now, here's your drawing, but right now it looks like a checkerboard, but it's really blank. I'm going to go to Shapes, and I'm going to I clicked a rectangle, and I'm going to draw my rectangle to cover the entire page. Then I'm going to go to my paint bucket. I'm going to pick a color. Now I'm going to go back to Shapes. I'm going to click on the rectangle again, and I'm going to draw another rectangle. This rectangle fits inside the other one. I'm going to paint bucket, change the color, go back to Shapes, click the rectangle. Then I make another rectangle, and I'm going to go to the paint bucket and click a different color. I'm going to keep doing this, Shapes, rectangle, draw the rectangle, go to the paint bucket, pick a different color, back to Shapes, rectangle, draw the rectangle, go to the paint bucket, pick a different color, do it again, Shapes, rectangle, draw the rectangle, and pick a different color. If at any point you want to get rid of any of these shapes, all you have to do is click on it and go backspace. Or if you want to move these rectangles around, you can just click on it and just sort of move it. And one more rectangle. Let's see, the shape tool, rectangles. This goes on forever. I know how you guys just love rainbow, so that's why I decided to do it this way. Let's see, another rectangle. I draw it. I take the paint bucket. I put a different color. And voila. Now, next I'm going to go to the text box. You see it says text box. Click on it, and then I'm going to draw a rectangle with the text box. Now, once I do that, you see that blinking cursor, that little blinking line? That's where I'm going to type in my words. Now, I'm going to highlight my words, and I'm going to make it bold. I'm going to change the font to Amatic, which I like that one. I'm going to change the size, and I'm going to make a space between the thank you and the rest of the words. I'm going to highlight it and center it, and I'm going to change the color. Let's see, where's my color? There we go. Find it. There it is. There, I'm going to change it to white. Now, there you go. I'm going to click up here on Share. Right here, it says Share. And I'm going to name it Thank You. Okay, then I'm going to click Save, and then I'm going to put the name. I'm going to email it to myself. And that way I know that I'm going to have I'm going to be saving a copy of it, and then I'll send it to my friend. And then, let's see, I'll leave her a message. Okay. Now I have my message, and I have my friend's email. I have my own email in here because I want to make sure I have a copy, and then I'm going to click Send. I can also go up here and say Get Shareable Link, but let me send this. And that's the link, but I'm going to go ahead and send my email. There we go. And And I'm going to say yes. And there you have it. I've created a message and I have emailed it to my friend. Now, if you want to make a message for your friend, make it however you want. You don't have to draw it the way I drew mine. You don't have to use the same message. You don't have to use the same shapes or the same colors. You make your message the way you want to make it. And have fun with all the different tools. I just showed you just a little bit of what the program can do. But there's a lot more, so just play around with it. And if you want to make a message for your mom or your dad, have a great day, everybody.